recording. Okay.
And we're on. But I feel like iCarly.
Okay. Disney Channel. All right, cool.
All right.
Okay. So we have 2 verses today. Both go hand in hand. Pretty much the same. Not the same verse, but pretty close. What do you think?
Yeah, almost
Basically.
same.
Okay. You can read yours first.
Okay. My verse is Colossians 3:23. Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for men. What's your verse, Amanda?
Yeah, my turn. Okay, mine's Ephesians 6, verse 7. Serve wholeheartedly as if you were serving the Lord, not people. Basically, so the same
I
thing.
would say that's pretty close.
Yeah,
You know?
close enough? Alright. So, have at it, Libs.
Alright, got it. Okay, so basically, this verse is kind of clear. Serve as if you're serving the Lord, not man. This means in every aspect of your life, whether you're working, doing your homework, playing sports, do it for a higher calling. Do it because you love the Lord, not do it to please other people. Because I promise you, if you work at it as if you're working for the Lord, you'll get a much better outcome. And you'll
Like
be
with Lily
built
playing volleyball.
strongly. Yeah, with me playing volleyball.
Yeah.
And whenever when I play for the Lord, I play so much better, and it's more fun to me, and I just play with my heart then.
Dude, tell them about your running.
Oh, yeah. I also think of that when I'm running, because, I get kind of tired, and I'm just like, work for the Lord, not for man.
Yeah, I don't run, so. Okay, so my take on it was like, do things that would like glorify God. Don't do things that like would like glorify yourself or like make you look good, or like things like do it for God. Don't